SolidPlant 3D makes it easy to bring pieces of equipment into your project. With our vast library of equipment templates, we got exactly what you need. Whether you need heat exchangers or pumps, SolidPlant saves you the time of designing typical equipment. A wide variety of storage tanks and vessels are also included. For this project, I'm going to place some tanks. I'll start by giving the tank a tag before I change some dimensions. I need it to be a bit wider, say 10,000, and a little less high, say 6,000. So now the tank is there in the equipment list, which shows a preview when I click it. Next, I'm going to bring in a horizontal centrifugal pump. Of course, it needs a tag, just like all pieces of equipment do. Then I could change dimensions of one of the many parts of this pump, but instead I just use some saved dimensions from a previous project. If I want to, I can change the nozzles on this pump too. Just choose one of the many nozzle types and nozzle sizes from the database. For example, a non-standard raised-based nozzle. Then I save this pump into the equipment list and move on to the next step. If a piece of equipment doesn't have any preset position for the nozzles, I can just place them myself. Of course, don't forget to set the tag first. I select a nozzle type and pick a point on the surface of the tank. I will do the same for a second nozzle before I save the tank into the equipment list. In case you've got a piece of equipment that has already been designed in SOLIDWORKS or any other 3D application, it's very easy to bring the model inside the SolidPlant environment. All I have to do is convert the model into a SolidPlant object, so I can give it a tag and start assigning the nozzles. By doing so, the equipment will become intelligent. This is important when doing the pipe routing, as the program will now automatically place the flanges and gasket when the pipe meets the nozzle. After I save the equipment, I can place the pieces in my drawing by simply dragging them from the list. I can use move and rotate functions to place the equipment in the right position. Then I can use the linear equipment function to duplicate the pumps into a linear pattern, after which I just assign tags to all of them. In the same way, I can bring in the tank and use the SolidWorks mate function to match it with the layout. Fast forward a bit and the tank farm is ready for some piping.